Hello all, hope you are doing well. This is Manikanta Gargipati and I hail from Tenali, which is in Guntur district. And today I'm here to share my success story with the quality thought, where I got placed in one of the MNCs and with a good role of software test engineer. And coming to my education, I have completed my graduation in the year 2023 in the stream of electrical and electronics engineering. So after completion of my graduation, I know that I'm not from the IT background, but when I got the thought like I need to shift to the IT industry, so I have a lot of queries in my mind, and so then I keep on searching and what are the different roles we are available in the IT industry. Later on that I realized it, so I need to take the testing course, and when I come to Hyderabad, I have visited many institutes which they thought for testing. So at last I came to quality thought, and on the same day there is a demo with the Ramana sir, and I have gone through that demo and have asked a few questions regarding my testing course and all. So Ramana sir has answered all the questions very well, and he shared the course curriculum with me, and I have gone through the course curriculum, and even that also I have a few questions and I have cleared with the Ramana sir and our front office team. So later on that I have taken this course, and initially it is went for manual testing, and after that automation testing, and basically here we joined for the full text testing, where it is involved for the functional testing and non-functional testing, so which it is covered everything for the software testing requirement. So whether it is front end or back end, so completely they will teach us about the testing course. So after completion of testing course or during this testing course, they will conduct every week the tests what we have learned so far in that particular week, and every month they will conduct mock interview in the Ramnasoft, where the company owned by Ramana sir, and exactly what they will do at that particular mock interviews are, so they will create that real time environment. If suppose if I am ready to face the interview with the other companies, so how the environment will be set up for the interview actually. So in the same kind of interview environment they will create in that Ramana Soft, and we'll gone through written test, and after that we have in-person interview with the technical. So they will give our feedback. So on which aspect we have to improve, and so what are the key aspects we have to follow during the interview, and so actually these inputs are really very helpful to us, and not only me who are joined within the quality thought, they have got placed in very well roles in different companies who have joined along with me. So coming to me, actually I have to share here, the thing is that when I have taken this particular testing course, so I have to fix my mindset. So I have fixed my mindset as like, so what are the technical terms I am learning through this quality thought, and how I am going to represent my technical skills in front of interviewer. So these two aspects I have focused mainly, and I have got the few opportunities in different companies. So there is even this tough situation where even single opportunity also many people are not getting in nowadays, and I have got few 1 2 3 more opportunities, and I have got the choice that I have to choose, which will help me to enhance my growth of my this career. So I want to thank quality thought management and the staff which were supported me, and who has guided me to achieve this. And once again I have to thank everyone for your support, and all the best for all the testers who have joined through quality thought.